So here's everything I ate for dinner last night. Hi mga kalokals! So share ko lang sa inyo what I had from Hokkaido Ramen in Trinoma. So first, this is their freshly tossed green salad, which for me I like kasi bet ko talaga yung sesame dressing plus fresh vegetables. Then we also had their chicken karaage, which I like although meron lang mga parts na medyo dry. Then after that, we also had their tonkatsu na medyo mapayat lang pero masarap to ha. Especially with their sauce. Panalong panalo to. I love, my gosh. And syempre, Hokkaido ramen nga. So syempre, dapat meron din tayong ramen. Plus, we also have here some takoyaki. Medyo so-so lang tong takoyaki for me. But this ramen na medyo spicy, I really like it. I love their broth plus ang lambot pa nung pork niya on top. Plus yung broth niya mga kalukos, if you love medyo spicy, saktong-sakto to for you.